Hello guys, and welcome to a special edition of Knox Locks. Today, I have something I've been waiting to share with you guys for a long time. This is my Alice in Wonderland themed community pass around. So, let's see. First, I'm going to start with my chopped and screwed. So, out of the Sparrows Progressive, kind of inspired by Lock Noob's 45-minute cutaways, I made these chopped and screwed. So from there, the theme's inspired by my girlfriend Ev, and so these are the boxes. So first we have Down the Rabbit Hole, and we have Through the Looking Glass. So, the idea, obviously, is Alice in Wonderland themed. This one's a little more of the classic. This is more the Tim Burton newer version. But in this case, it would be Down the Rabbit Hole. In this case, it'd be Through the Looking Glass. Alright, so let's go down the rabbit hole. And you want to really kind of do this a little bit gently. I mean, I did reinforce it, but, still a little gentle. So, after you go down the rabbit hole, what you have in front of you is 4 Alice in Wonderland themed challenge locks. So they're kind of picking up where the Sparrows Night School left off. So let me explain. First up we have Alice's Serrated Sadness. So that would be the blue key from the Rekey set. And inside of there is all serrated chambers. So I'm going to give you a peek down here in a second of each one of the layouts along with the key. Okay, so that one's Alice. So she's going to have serrated Sparrow T-pins along with serrated chambers. This one here is the Mad Hatter, and he is spools. So you have the black pin, and then you have the spools with counter milling. So you're learning counter milling in that one. The next one I liked called Eat Me. And this one here is Mushrooms. And I flip them, I alternate them. So sometimes you're picking against the taper, and other times you're picking kind of more against the spool. And last but not least, if you get through all this, this is a legit challenge lock, the Red Queen. So all of these are 6 pins. But she's got the high, let's see, compared to the other ones, she's got the high crown grub screws. She is the Red Queen after all. And inside of here is all check pins. So yeah, it's a bit challenging, and I got serrations and counter milling in there. So now I'm going to give you a look at the pin work a little bit. Okay, so again, the top one here with the serrations is Alice's Serrated Sadness, obviously. Underneath that's the Mad Hatter. Underneath that's Eat Me. And you see how they're alternating the driver pins. And then here's the check pins. However, I also threw a couple check pins in for key pins. Make it extra interesting. So I have 2 boxes. Why do I have 2 boxes? Well, Down the Rabbit Hole is going to be making its way to England, or UK, Europe, Australia, anywhere abroad. And Through the Looking Glass is going to stay US, North America based, and they're going to be community pass-arounds. How do you enter? Good question. Okay, in my description you're going to see a link to Lockpicker 1969's Challenge Lock Workshop announcing my Alice in Wonderland. So if you leave a comment on his channel, you can get a second entry. How do you get the first? Leave a comment on mine. So now, what's the comment? Hashtag knoxlocks Alice. So, if you're interested in this, just comment below on my video. Comment below on Lockpicker's 1969s. And that way you have 2 entries into it. In a couple weeks from now, I'm going to do a drawing. And, well, actually 2 drawings. One for the looking glass, one for the rabbit hole. And, yeah, I hope you guys like this. And if you made it this far to the end, I want to show you something cool. Check this out. After these guys, I got the 2 killer community challenge pass around. And, yeah, I can't wait to these. Utilizing the munitions set in those, along with some custom. We have the quick set killer and the sledgehammer. So yeah, these babies are gonna be awesome. And yeah, let's see. So you got the entries. Oh, I've passed 350. Oh, 350 subscribers. So I'm gonna be announcing the giveaway after this, and the 2 killers have been passed around or shown out and whatever. You get to decide which one of all these challenge locks you'd like to have for yourself. So a little further on that one on the official 350 giveaway. But I'm going to wrap this up. So please have a go at them. I think no matter what level you are, while they are intended for kind of yellow belt through, I mean, honestly, purple, man. I mean, you know, it's a decent go. You know, the check pins along with the counter milling and serrations in there. It's a decent challenge lock for sure. Let's see, what else was there? Something else. I don't know. Just be sure to enter. And yeah, this is the short format. I'm going to be going into long, picking each individual one. And that's going to be the down the rabbit hole. This is just the announcement. So, yeah, make sure you comment below if you're interested. Thanks again for watching Knox Locks. And remember, anything is possible when everything is unlockable.